Okay, this is my 2007 MXZ Blizzard 800. It's got 1,700 miles on it. It's pretty well brand new condition. I wasn't going to ride a two-stroke again this year, but I'll try out the 07. Hopefully the crank holds together. That's got the 1 1/4" factory track on it. It's got a performance can. I don't know if it's homemade or if it's aftermarket. Maybe when someone watching can let me know if they know what it is. Looks like just 2 stingers welded together, but whoever did it did a pretty good job. Sounds good too. Battery's apparently dead, so I'll have to pull start it.